I'm making a short video to demonstrate this gorgeous vintage Jaeger LeCoultre Memovox alarm travel clock. It sits on the stand as such. What makes this one special is the case is actually starry lapis lazuli. So this isn't brass with a lapis lazuli effect or finish on it. It's actually a solid piece of the semi-precious stone. Unbelievable condition. It really looks like it was never used. Everything works perfectly. The dial is perfect. Everything is very nice. And it does come with the original Jaeger LeCoultre signed travel pouch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to advance the time so we can hear the alarm. It has two crowns on the back. One for the time, one for the alarm. So I'm going to pull this out, and then you simply rotate it. Nice, loud, and long alarm. Push that in. And then, so what I'm going to do now is wind up the alarm. No, I'm setting the alarm. Push it in. Now I'll give it a wind. Everything works flawlessly. Now let's go ahead and advance the time again. Bear with me. So the date changes as it should. Alarm works. So in summary, a vintage Jaeger LeCoultre Memovox sub-miniature travel alarm clock in a rare and gorgeous starry lapis lazuli case. Let's see if I can catch some of that. It's just, I really think it's pretty. In excellent condition. Take care.